Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. It's almost 20 degrees this morning. Got some really pretty snow coming down, and Sarah should be up here in a few hours. Sarah will be here for lunch, so I have to run up to the store and get a few things that we need. I stopped at the store and got everything we needed. Roads are pretty slick here. Well, this is supposed to be just like a light dusting of snow, and we've already got about 2 inches. And they're saying about another inch will fall. I'm gonna have to plow this later on today with the four-wheeler before I leave tomorrow morning. Sarah's on her way up here. Melissa's just starting to make lunch. It'll be a little bit of a later lunch because Sarah's commute will be slower than expected. Oh yeah, like we did last time. That'll look really nice. Keto cheesecake.
Like sugar and cream.
Well, Sarah made it up here. We had lunch, and now they're saying we're only going to get another ½ inch of snow, but it's supposed to snow kind of like this until 8 o'clock tonight, so I'm going to get this plowed out. I see the neighbors have already been doing theirs, so I better get my butt in gear. Go out later and pull the SD card out of the camera back there. And since this one is already on the trailer ready to go to the tent tomorrow morning, I don't want to pull it off. well, the driveway is plowed good enough. I mean, we did get a solid 3 inches so far, but it's real light and fluffy. The thing is, I'm going to take off for a few days here, and we're supposed to get an inch or two more, and it just keeps building up. I do think I want to start the tractor. I haven't started it in probably 3 weeks, and all those 30 below readings, probably be good to start it and let it run for a little bit. Well, the snowmobile did do that bog down thing like Zach talked about in a video with this on Joe and Zach Survival. I let it run for at least a half hour here. It's real warm. It steers easier than it did before because it's warmed up. It's much warmer today. Like it's probably, I don't know, 22 degrees than it was last week. And when I drove it, when I come across the field, I tried to open it up and it would bog. It'll idle along just fine at 5 miles an hour, but if you try to step on it, it wouldn't do it. So definitely, like everybody was saying, maybe it's the upper end. I don't know, but I definitely want to get that figured out because this is a really fun sled and it's quicker than the other one. Got the snowmobile all covered here because tomorrow, after this snow and the warmer weather and all the salt and sand they're going to put on the road, this thing would be a total mess. I'm going to get Sarah or Melissa out here to give me a hand and throw that generator in the back of my truck, because then I don't think there's going to be any trouble, but if there was no power at the tent, I can haul this over. If I need to plug in my truck, I can start this up, charge up the batteries, I've got it. I think I'll go inside and spend some time with Melissa and Sarah. Take a look at the pictures on that SD card. I will do a whole separate video on that as soon as I have enough pictures. This is the third time I've pulled it now. But like last week I pulled it and it only had 4 pictures on it. When it's 30-some below zero, the deer don't move around much. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Sometimes I'll run this one from before I go to the tent, and then to make it a longer video, go after the tent. But usually after the tent winter trip, I am burnt out from filming for a few days, so I think we'll end this one right here. I will see you guys on the next video.